Hi, it's Mr. Tush over at Global, and this is a quick screencast about the guessing game. The guessing game is actually an algorithm. It's an educated guessing game that allows you to use feedback of too high and too low to guess any number in a sequence fairly quickly. And for example, for our argument today, we're going to look at the quickest way to guess a number between 0 and 100. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 7 guesses. And there's a very logical way to do this. So first thing I want you to imagine is a number line. So you've got the numbers between 0 and 100. They're in your head. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a person who's thinking of the number 73. Now, you as the guesser, you don't know 73 is in his head, her head, but the number person is holding 73 in their head. And you've got to get 73 out of 0 to 100 in 7 guesses. So here's what you're going to do. First thing you're going to do is bisect it. Bisect the set. Go halfway. In other words, halfway between 0 and 100 is 50. So they're thinking of 73. You guess 50. And your person will give you the feedback of too low. So now that doesn't get you any farther, but actually it does. Because now you know everything below 50 is no good. So now you're dealing with a smaller set, and that's guess number 1. You've cut your set in half. So now we're only dealing with a number between 50 and 100. They're thinking of 73. So you're going to go halfway and you're going to guess 75. Now you don't know 73. You don't know how close you are. It doesn't matter. The fact is, we've got somewhere between 50 and 100, and you know you're guessing 75. They say 73. They're going to tell you too high, but now you know you can get rid of that. And you know that your number is actually between 50 and 75. So we've already cut 3/4 of the possible guesses out, and that's guess number 3. Now, guess number 3, you're going to pick halfway between 50 and 75, which is 63. It's actually 62.5, but we're going to round it up to 63 because it's going to be an even number. And once we get 63, we're going to get the feedback of too low. But look what happens. Now we get 50 to 63 out of there, and this next number is between 63 and 75. So if we're halfway between 63 and 75, we're going to bisect again. This is only guess number 4. We're just over halfway to our goal. And with them thinking 73, you are guessing 69. You are really close. And of course, they're going to tell you that it's too low. But now you're going to get rid of all the numbers below 69. And you now know it's between 69 and 75. Those are only 6 digits apart. It's 73. Halfway through it is 72. And now you're going to get the number or the feedback too low. Guess number 5. And already we've eliminated enough to know that it's a number between 73 and 75. Of course, guess number 6 by following the formula. You don't know how close you are, but you know you're pretty darn close. You're going to guess 74. And once you guess 74, they're going to tell you it's too high. But if 74 is too high and the number set starts at 73, guess what? 73 is your answer. You've got it. You get it in 7 guesses, and the person thinks you're wicked smart. Understand that sometimes this algorithm works that you get it in fewer than 7 guesses, but in a set of 1 to 100, as long as you do the math correctly, you are going to guess just about any number in 7 guesses. Larger sets may take a few more guesses, but it is very common that you are able to guess a number between 1 and 100 in 7 guesses or fewer. Hope that helps. Enjoy. Go play the game.